Welcome. In this video, we'll take a quick look at what is GitHub and its features. GitHub is a cloud-based platform where you can store, share, and work together with others to write code. Whether you're new to coding or just getting into version control, this video is for you. Git is a version control system that intelligently tracks changes in files. Git is particularly useful when you and a group of people are all making changes to the same files at the same time. When you upload files to GitHub, you'll store them in a Git repository. This means that when you make changes or commits to your files in GitHub, Git will automatically start to track and manage your changes. Every GitHub project starts with a repository or repo. It's where your code and project files live. You can make your repo public for the whole world to see or private for only specific collaborators. Branches let you work on new features or bug fixes without changing the main code. Once your changes are ready, you can merge them back into the main branch. When you're done with your branch, you can create a pull request, or PR. This is where team members can review, comment, and approve changes before they're merged into the main project. Issues are used to track tasks, bugs, and feature requests. Think of them as to-do lists for your project, and they help keep everything organized. With GitHub Actions, you can automate your development workflows. For example, automatically running tests when new code is pushed or deploying to a server. GitHub projects help you organize your work. You can use boards like Trello to track tasks, assign them to team members, and manage the project efficiently. If you need documentation, wikis are built into GitHub repos. You can add guides, instructions, and more for easy reference. GitHub also helps keep your code safe with Dependabot. It automatically scans your dependencies for vulnerabilities and can even suggest fixes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions about GitHub? Drop them in the comments below.